Thank
Very
you.
good. So as I said, we won't be able to take so many questions. We'll take few more. Faisal bhai.
Thank you so much. Since Mr. Gassibal, you introduced human concerns in Pakistani community, and Pakistani community has supported this project a lot. And sir, you have visited Pakistan. Since you have produced one of the biggest serial, artgal Ghazi, and what do you think, and was watched in Pakistan a lot, what is your message about your serial for the Pakistani people?
I feel the Pakistani people love in everywhere. When I'm going to other countries, Pakistani people's, better than me, is everywhere on the world. So I feel like this much love I've never seen. I'm very, very thankful for the Pakistani people for such a this love, and I hope I'm visit soon Pakistan and I can feel this love in Pakistan, inshallah. Thank you very much.